Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be playing with the Feeling Bubbly by Colourpop. If you want to know how I did this look and know my thoughts about the palette, keep on watching. So today I'm going to be playing with the Feeling Bubbly by Colourpop. This is how she looks. I'll be honest, I used this once already and I tried this little shimmer right here, and I gotta say it was not that intense. It's very subtle. I don't know if you could tell. Let me just do a swatch here. It's not that intense. It's quite dry. I didn't really like that one that much. I wasn't impressed with that color. I only used like 3 colors, so today I'm gonna do another look with it. Try the other shimmers to see if I like them better, because that one did not impress me. But first, I'm gonna prime quickly, and I'm gonna prime with the Milani Prime Shield. It's mattifying primer. Squeeze a little bit of that out. You know how back in the day people used to conceal before they put their foundation on, and then it got switched? So I'm gonna go old school and do that. I'm gonna conceal first. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Under Eye Concealer. This one right here. I've been liking this one a lot. Since this one's a little bit darker, that's why I'm gonna use it underneath the foundation. But if you wanted a brightening under eye, then you should do it afterward with a lighter concealer. I don't remember when people stopped doing this before foundation and then they started doing it after. I think it was maybe around 2013, maybe like 2012 or something, or even longer than that. I'm not sure. But back in the day when I studied cosmetology and we took the class of makeup, it used to be under. I remember doing that in my early 20s. But then it got switched, and I don't know why it got switched. I think it was because a lot of people started liking the brightness under the eyes, so they would use a lighter concealer, lighter than their foundation, to brighten the under eyes. And I think that's how it all started. But I can't remember exactly like what year that became popular. And now for foundation, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Outlast. This one's in shade Classic Ivory because I had the other one, Creamy Natural, and it's a little bit too dark for me. It has a peach undertone, makes it look darker, but I think this one's gonna be too light. I can find that in-between shade. I'm gonna have to mix them probably. I'm gonna set my face with the Beauty Bakery Flower Powder. First shade I'm gonna use is Blaine Slate. Who's excited for the new year? I know I am. These past 2 years have been so crazy for everybody. What are your plans for the new year? Or resolutions? I'm gonna use that same color on the lower lash line. I'm gonna use a smaller brush, and I'm gonna grab Get a Grape. That's what it's called? Yeah, Get a Grape. I'm gonna concentrate that in the crease. That's the darkest shade in the palette. I'm probably not gonna do videos next week because it's my birthday week, and I don't think I'm gonna be recording anything for that week. So, but I'll be back the following week. So I'm taking a break. I'm going to take the first brush and blend that out. It's a very neutral palette. I think they're going for a New Year's Eve vibe, but it doesn't give me a New Year's Eve vibe without a black and like silver. It has the white though, but it doesn't really give me New Year's vibes, you know? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Also, I did my nails. It's very simple to do. I didn't record it this time because it's so simple, but if you want to see a video of me doing that design, which is so easy to do, and I think it's great for like New Year's, let me know in the comments down below if you're interested in seeing that, because it also looks super cute on your toenails. Now this palette doesn't have a black, so I'm going to use another black from another palette. I'm going to use the same brush to deepen the outer corner. I want to make it a little bit more dramatic. I'm going to use my glitter primer from NYX because I want to use Noted. And didn't I tell you that every freaking palette, almost every palette, has a light pale gold shade in it? What is that? Is it like an easy shade to make that every palette has to have it? Why? Why? But I'm not going to use that because I'm sick of it. I'm going to take a flat brush like this one. This is not so flat anymore, but it'll do. Put the glitter primer. Just place it where I want to put the shimmer. And I'm going to take that shade. I need my mirror. That shade is way better than the other one that I was talking about. The one that I tried for the first time. This one pops more. Ooh, that's nice. Let me blend a little bit the edges with the first brush. I'm going to take Clink Clink, cute name. Put that right here in the lower lash line. I'm going to take the lightest shade of the palette and use that as a highlighter in the brow bone and in the inner corner. That one's really nice. I'm going to take an angle brush like this one and use that black in the lower lash line. I bought these from Bettina. These are eyeliners in different colors because I love their black one. I love the black one so much that I decided to try out the different colors that they have. So I think for this look I'm gonna use, I can't use the blue, it doesn't go with anything. I bought brown and this champagne color. I think I'm gonna use that one and see how it looks. This one's called Guilt. I just hope the color ones are as good as the black one. I just bought those, but they had more. Super creamy, look at that. That's a nice color. It's kind of metallic. Ooh, I love that. This is nice. And they're super affordable. I bought these lashes from Kiss. They're in the style, the name is right there. Super wispy. It's called Naked Drama. So I've never tried Kiss lashes. Have I? No, I've tried Ardell's and I've tried Salon Perfect, but I've never tried Kiss lashes, and I've heard good reviews on them, so I decided to buy this one and see and try it out. So I'm gonna put an eyeliner on first, some mascara, and then I'm gonna pop these on. Lashes are on. I love these. I love them. They're super comfortable. So for browns, I'm gonna use the NYX Sculpt palette. It's basically the only one I own because I love it so much. Blush. I'm I'm gonna use the e.l.f. highlighter. This one's in shade White Gold. For lips, I'm gonna be using the CoverGirl Outlast Matte in shade Prosecco Pop. And I'm gonna top it up with the Lunar Beauty lip gloss in shade Starlight. So this is the final look. What do you think? I like it. I gotta say that I definitely love the other two shimmers that I tried. These two, they work way better and have more pigment than this one. This one is very lackluster, but these two are awesome. And the mattes are great, so I have no problems with the mattes. But I like this palette. The only thing missing in this palette for me is a black. And I think if they were going for that, you know, that New Year's Eve, New Year's vibe type of thing, I think it needed a black. That's the only complaint that I have. Maybe eliminate this one and put a matte black in there. That would have been perfect. But that's just my opinion because I love black in every palette. Yeah, this palette's pretty good. I like it. I like those shimmers. Turned out really good. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up if you can. And have a wonderful New Year's Eve. Stay safe. Bye. With a smaller brush, why are you sticking out like that? Stop that. This has one of those long seals that I hate. I don't want to put it in my mouth. Ow, ow. You know how back in the day people used to yeah, with the first blush. Is there fuzz in here?